It's cold outside, but the hype train still rolls on. I just got some new hotness in the mail. I'm going to let you know whether or not I think these two new fragrances are worth your money right after this. Yo, what's going on out there in YouTube land? What is happening, good people? You are now tuned in to another dope video here at No BS Allowed TV, the place where we discuss truth, life, love, and all dope things in between. I am your host, that guy, King P, aka Big Game James, aka Pastor Offering, aka the reason why you are here, also known as the Ice Nine, and the undisputed champion of common sense. To my returning subscribers, as always, salute. If you are new here, welcome. Come on in, relax, kick off your shoes. You are going to enjoy it here, I promise. All right. Now, y'all know how we do it, so let's get right into it. I got a package in the mail today from our good friends over at Fragflex. Had to make sure I said that correctly. Now, this is not a paid video. This is not a sponsored video. I ordered these fragrances my own money. And what I got are two fragrances that have been really hyped in the community as of recently. One was released in 2023. The other one was just released this year. And both of them are by Fragrance World, aka French Avenue. Now, what am I talking about? I am talking about Spectre Ghost. All right. And also Liquid Brun. All right. Now, these have been getting a lot of hype, and all throughout social media, YouTube, uh, fragrance, TikTok, you name it. Everybody is talking about these. Well, I'm going to give my first impressions of these two fragrances. All right. Now, these are clones. Liquid Brun is a Parfums de Marly clone of a fragrance called Altair. And this is, and Spectre Ghost is a clone or dupe, if you will, of Nishane's Ani. Now, I do not own the OG of either of these, but hey, maybe these are so good, I don't have to do all that. So we're going to experience this together. Now, full transparency, I did take out the wrappers and all that, and I sprayed a little bit. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to do that all over again, and we're going to discuss what's to these. All right. So first one up is Spectre Ghost, and this has some nice packaging, very nice packaging. All right, but I don't care about the packaging or anything like that. I'm only keeping it for video purposes. After that, these boxes will go somewhere. And this is what you get. Look at that bottle. That bottle's dope. That bottle is dope. Now, Ani is a masculine, fresh, fougeric type of fragrance. And this is again, as I said, a dupe. And as I understand, this is spot on. Again, I don't have the OG, so this will be it for the for me, as as far as the scent profile. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and put it on the going to go ahead and put this on the test strip. All right, let you check out the atomizer. Pretty good atomizer. It's not pressurized or anything like that, but a good amount of juice comes out. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is definitely distinguished gentleman, masculine, fresh, not overly mass appealing, but not something that is going to put off the masses either. This is going to separate you from the crowd, most definitely. It's going to separate you from the regular, um, Savage and Dylan Blue wearers. And there's nothing wrong with those fragrances. It's just that this is on a totally different level. This is blended really well, good ingredients. Now we got to get to the ingredients. And of course we do that by accessing the, handy dandy, um, fragrance, fragrance informer here, AKA my phone. Yeah, got to get that together. But I want to get the notes. All right, we got ginger, we got bergamot, we got cardamom, pink pepper, black currant rose, vanilla. I get some of that vanilla in there. Cedarwood and patchouli. Now, I don't know if these notes are all, if this is the actual factual, if these are the exact notes in here. But again, this is a dupe. And this is designed to get you right there without having to spend a whole lot of money. All right. Um, and this is amazing, man. Even on paper. Now, I did spray it on skin, but again, for the sake of the conversation we're having, I'm going to do it all over for you again. All right. Going to put it on skin. Yeah. Yeah. I like that. I like that blast of ginger. Oh man. Yeah. Yeah. Basically, what I would say is get this, get this. I'm not going to tell you anything wrong. If you like masculine, head turning fragrances, this is it. All right. And you won't break the bank with this one. All right. Now, moving on. That brings us to the new kid on the block. This one was released just this year. And again, it's been a lot of talk about this one, Liquid Brun. Again, it is a dupe of Parfums de Marly Alter, uh, vanilla, uh, sweet, uh, sophisticated, again, very distinguished, very, very on point. All right. Now, I'm going to go ahead, spray it. Again, nice atomizer, not pressurized, but everything doesn't have to be pressurized. This, yeah, this is nice. Very nice. Very nice. Classy. You will definitely get some attention. Because this right here is filling this room up. Man. Now, again, I'm going to put it on skin. I did that a little earlier, but we're going to do it again for the camera. All right. Let that dry down. Man. Yeah, that's nice, man. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. Now, all right. Going to do the notes for Liquid Brawn here. This is what they call a warm, spicy, sweet fragrance. All right. We got cinnamon, which I definitely smell. Bourbon vanilla, um, elemi, praline. It has some Broxton in here. Angaic wood, musk, orange blossom, and bergamot. And of course, cardamom. So there's an element of freshness to it, but it's still very sweet and potent, but not sickeningly sweet, not cloying at all. Um, this is something again that is going to separate you from the average, um, cologne and perfume wearer. Um, and again, Parfum de Marly Alter is $300 a bottle. This not even is a fraction of that. All right. And again, the good folks over there at Frag Flex, are having a really good sale. This is not a sponsored video. This is where I got these two fragrances from. All in all, I
Yo, good people. Right here is where something weird happens to the audio. Um, as I'm talking, when I went into the editing process, um, at this particular point in the video, the audio just dropped out. Now, I use CapCut Pro in order to edit my videos. Um, it's simple, pretty good program. However, I'm not an expert. So, if one of you here could help me out as to why this happened, I would be greatly appreciative. Basically what I'm doing here is I'm just saying, just giving a little slight commentary on how dupe fragrances are taking over and how you don't have to spend a lot in order to get a lot. um the stigma about cheap fragrances is done. It doesn't make you any less uh, of a of an adult or fragrance connoisseur if you buy dupe fragrances. I have dupes. I have the originals and everything in between. This is about saving money at the end of the day and not spending a fortune. So, whenever I come across something that's as good as these two fragrances, I definitely want to tell my audience about it. And so yeah, that's basically the premise of my channel. When I talk about fragrances, and I want to put you guys on. Um, and so that's basically really that's all that is. Um, Yeah, but again, as I said, the audio dropped out at the 10:23 mark of my video, and so I'm now doing this voiceover. Um, First time doing it, because I didn't want to have to edit a large portion of the video out. But again, again, I'm just basically just just saying my piece, landing my plane, thanking you all as always for stopping by and checking my videos out. I appreciate it so much. This channel is growing at a rate that I didn't necessarily expect it when I started it a year ago. It's well over 1,000, and I'm so grateful because you could have been doing anything in the world, but you decided that you wanted to rock with little old me, and that I'll never forget. I'm going to be doing a giveaway to celebrate getting to the 1,000 subscriber mark. Excuse me, and it'll be something nice. So be on the lookout for that video. But yeah, but in the meantime, between time, please like, comment, subscribe, share my video, um, get the word out there, and as always, there's a lot of people talking, but not everybody's worth listening to. And so, with that said, good people, two fingers equals peace.